When say a prospect walks into your office or gets in touch with you and they ask is that, will I be approved? Because people get confused, and then in that case, usually how you handle the situation and what is your way of comforting them?
Interesting. Thanks, Ishan, for the question. But this is probably the most, can't say the most common, but fairly frequent, especially in today's landscape where interest rates are quite high as well. So borrowing power is overall declined a little bit compared to what it was, let's say, 2 years ago, when we were, or 3 years ago, just I think after COVID, where we were at 1.99%, 2%. So the servicings and the borrowing capacity was much better. But my honest answer is, while there is always a bank for every person, every borrower, I still can't guarantee an approval, right? Because the bank ultimately makes the decision, right? And what I can do as a broker is assess your situation the same way a lender would, right? That's how I would portray it, because there are so many factors that are involved in it, right? There's credit, there's your entire history, there's your income, there's your liabilities, right? So we have to assess all these situations and then understand and then apply for a loan. So as a broker, it's about positioning the application correctly before it even reaches the bank, right? So that's what we do as brokers, right? So I can straight away say, yes, you'll get an approval, but we still need to understand what your situation is. That you might not like the lender, but
Yeah.
it just depends on your situation, right? So